Hello everyone. So today I will share with you how to make softball photo collage template design in Canva. So let's start with it. So I have chosen the canvas size as 36 by 24 inches. So as you can see, it is written here, and I will write here, rename it as softball, so that it gets easier for me to search when I work later in the template. And in the elements I will search here softball icon vector. Okay, and go to graphics, click on see all, and this is the image which I will be using here, and I will bring it in the canvas and I will rotate it to minus 45 degrees and make it bigger and make it center. Okay, and after that I will write here or just press here L to activate a line, as you can see in here. So I will go in the stroke style and the stroke weight will be 11 for me. Okay, and after that I will just rotate it to 90 degrees, and after that I will just bring it in the center, and after that hold on the shift key in the keyboard and make this line smaller so that it is a straight line here. Okay, and after that just duplicate this line and just bring it one time here, make it smaller, and another time here. Now after that I will just select this icon or the softball icon, and after that I will just change the color to black. Okay, any other color won't work the same way as black color works in here. Okay, and for the next part I will just move this one a bit in here so that I can make this one space bigger, and after that just make it slightly smaller, and after that just duplicate it and rotate it to 0 degrees so that it is a straight line here. Okay, and after that just bring one here and zoom the page so that you can work on it in a better way, and after that bring the line slightly down and duplicate it, and after that just paste one time here. Okay, so this line separation or the collage part creation is done. Now after that I will just go to share and click on download, make sure it is PNG. Okay, and click on download. Okay, and go to add page, and in the canvas use any background color. For example, I am using this grass green color. Okay, and now after that click on share, click on download, and now download the page 2. Click on download. Now come to picsvg.com, and as you can see it is written here, it is a free SVG converter. Click on upload a picture and just upload the picture of the softball now, and after scrolling down you will find the settings here, and make sure the details is strong. The filters will be changed to internal 3. Okay, and it will look same like this, and click on download SVG. Now I want to share an information with you which will be very helpful for you. If you don't want to do all the hard work, you can just visit my website. The link is in the description, and you can just purchase the softball design. So there are many softball designs, as you can see in here, and many will be added soon. So the first one is the softball class of 2026. This is for $1. This coach frame is for $3. This softball senior design is for $3. Softball frame is for $3. And as you can see here, the class of 2026 template is for $2, and the softball part and the softball single photo part is for just $1. So you can just purchase it and use it for your design. When you just purchase it, you can just get the PDF where the template link will be present. Just click on download template and you can just access it using a free account in Canva. Now I will come to photopea.com, which is a free version of Photoshop. Click on open from computer and open the SVG file which you just created in picsvg.com. So this is the file. Now click on file, click on open and place, and this time I will just open the green color background which I created in Canva. Okay, just extend it so that you can work in a better way, and after that right click here, click on clipping mask. Okay, as you can see, one layer is separated, and now you have to do for all the layers. Click on duplicate layer and just move it below. So you have to cover it layer by layer. So I will do it fast for you so that I don't waste your time. So as you can see, it is done here. Now click on file, click on save as PSD. PSD means Photoshop document. Okay. So as you can see, it is saved. Now come back to Canva here, click on add page and just remove the background, and after that just upload the Photoshop document in Canva. So it will be uploaded in here in the design section. Just click on it and it will come in the canvas. Now as you can see, there is a black outline which is coming here. So as we have used black color, so the black color will be beneath the layer, so we have to remove it. So select any of the layers and right click it, go to layers, show layers, and remove the black layer by selecting individually. Click on delete. Okay, now for the green layer, click on any of the layers and click on backspace to reveal the frame part. So the frame part is also revealed. Now I have to come to elements, and here I will write softball player. Okay, and this time I have to go to photos, click on see all, and I have to use the pictures. So I will use this picture in the middle, and you can just adjust the picture by double clicking on the picture. Okay, so let's use the other ones as well. So let's use it here. So it is added, as you can see. So this is how it looks when you add the pictures in the softball photo collage template, and you can just click on share and download it and use it for your own designs. Okay, so hope you like this tutorial and hope you learned something out of it. So please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which tutorial you want to learn next. Thank you.